ഇവിടെ പറയുന്നത് CSEB ക്ലർക്ക് ക്യാഷ് എക്സാമിന് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറുമാണ്. ഇനി എക്സാമിന് കുറച്ച് ദിവസം മാത്രമേ ബാക്കിയുള്ളൂ. എല്ലാവരും നന്നായി പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. പിന്നെ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഇനി സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരെല്ലാം ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായി കിട്ടുകയുള്ളൂ. Question number 1. The keystone of cooperative development in Kerala. Answer SCB. The keystone of cooperative development in Kerala, SCB. Question number 2. Issue of sale confirmation certificate is the duty of dash. Answer Chief Executive. Question number 3. Under the dash principle, all material facts must be shown in financial statements. Answer full disclosure. Under the dash principle, all material facts must be shown in financial statements. Answer full disclosure. Question number 4. Saharna Prabodhini is the publication of. Answer Cochin Central Cooperative Institute. Saharna Prabodhini is the publication of Cochin Central Cooperative Institute. Question number 5. Unnat Bharat Abhiyan is a project sponsored by. Answer Vamnicom. Question number 6. Banking without the direct presence of the bank is called. Answer virtual banking. Banking without the direct presence of the bank is called virtual banking. Question number 7. Proposed dividends is the shown in the balance sheet of the company under the head of. Answer provisions. Proposed dividends is shown in the balance sheet of the company under the head of provisions. Question number 8. Audit certificate sent to the institution within dash month after the completion of the audit. Answer 3 months. Audit certificate sent to the institution within 3 months after the completion of audit. Question number 9. Valuation of closing stock is based on the dash concept. Answer conservatism. Question number 10. Dash is a legal status of a person or a other entity that cannot be repaid the debts it owns to creditors. Answer bankruptcy. Dash is a legal status of a person or a other entity that cannot repay the debts it owns to creditors. Answer bankruptcy. Question number 11. An entry more than one debit or credit is known as. Answer compound entry. A entry more one debit or credit is known as compound entry. Question number 12. Statutory means. Answer fixed controlled by law. Statutory means fixed controlled by law. Question number 13. Section dash of KCS Act related to service matters of employee. Answer 80. Section 80 of KCS Act related to service matters of employee. Question number 14. Net loss of cooperative society is shown on the dash. Answer asset side. Net loss of the cooperative society is shown on the asset side of balance sheet. Question number 15. Audit fee calculated by transport society. Answer higher charges. Audit fee calculated by transport societies higher charges. Question number 16. Erasure of principles will not affect. Answer, trial balance. Erasure of principles will not affect the trial balance. Question number 17. Large amount spent on research is an example of dash expenses. Answer, deferred revenue expenses. Large amount spent on research is an example of deferred revenue expenses. Question number 18. Pricing method based on customer value is known as. Answer, value based pricing. Question number 19. Before the Bava Committee, tribal society were known as. Answer, forestry workers contract societies. Question number 20. The audit fee shall be paid by the society within dash of receipt of audit certificate. Answer, 1 month. Audit fee shall be paid by the society within 1 month of the receipt of audit certificate. ഓഡിറ്റ് സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് കിട്ടി ഒരു മാസത്തിനകം തന്നെ ഓഡിറ്റ് ഫീ ഗവൺമെന്റിന് അടയ്ക്കണം. ഇത് ഒരു മാസം കഴിഞ്ഞു പോയാൽ 8% ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ചീഫ് എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവ് കൊടുക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. Question number 21. Kerala State and Subordinate Service Rule issued in the year. Answer, 1958. The Kerala State and Subordinate Service Rule issued in the year 1958. Question number 22. Cooperative movement was originated due to the impact of. Answer, Industrial Revolution. Question number 23. Kisan Seva Fund founded for the benefit of the farmers by. Answer, IFCO. Question number 24. CMAS is associated with. Answer, ICA. Question number 25. Which section deals with the disqualification of committee member? Answer, section 28(2). Question number 26. Payment of monthly rent to landlord. Answer, economic event. Payment of monthly rent to landlord. Answer, economic event. Question number 27. Leave sanctioned authority of secretary. Answer, president. Question number 28. An award of the arbitrator under. Section 70, subsection 6. Question number 29. Dash filing petition by the aggrieved party before a higher authority. Answer, appeal. Question number 30. A savings bank account is an inoperative after. Answer, 2 years. A saving bank account is an inoperative after the 2 years. Question number 31. Section 81A specifies. Answer, provisions as to certain pending proceeding. Question number 32. Dash constitute a largest portion of cooperative bank liabilities. Answer, deposit. Question number 33. A cooperative society cannot admit a member within dash days of the general body within election agenda. Answer, 60 days. Question number 34. Dash believes in the theory of survival of fittest. Answer, capitalism. Question number 35. The revenue expenditure for non-profit organization is dash account. Answer, income and expenditure account. The revenue expenditure for non-profit organization is income and expenditure account. Question number 36. Dash act as a consortium leader of the banking institution in the district. Answer, lead bank. Lead bank act as a consortium leader of the banking institution in the district. Question number 37. The concept behind a credit card is. Answer, buy now, pay later. The concept behind a credit card is buy now, pay later. Question number 38. Dash is a special features of cooperative form of business. Answer, patronage dividend. Patronage dividend is a special features of cooperative form of business. Question number 39. Licensing a banking company is given under dash section of Banking Regulation Act 1949. Answer, section 22. Question number 40. Grameen Vikas Trust promoted by. Answer, CRIPCO. Grameen Vikas Trust promoted by CRIPCO. Question number 41. We understand your world is the tagline of which bank? Answer, HDFC Bank. We understand your world is the tagline of which bank? Answer, HDFC Bank. Question number 42. In a balance sheet, assets are generally arranged in descending order. Answer, liquidity. In a balance sheet, assets are generally arranged in descending order in liquidity. Question number 43. Non-scheduled banks means a banking company as defined in section dash of BR Act 1949. Answer, section 5. Question number 44. Loan and advances given by a RBI to central government is known as. Answer, ways and means advance. Loan and advance given by a RBI to central government is known as ways and means advance. Question number 45. Dash is a chairman of Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. Answer, Deputy Governor of RBI. Question number 46. The installation expenses of new machinery will be debited to. Answer, machinery account. The installation expenses expenses of a new machinery will be debited to machinery account. Question number 47. Past performance of a cooperative society shall be evaluated on the basis of its answer, volume of reserve fund. The past performance of a cooperative society shall be evaluated on the basis of its volume of reserve fund. Question number 48. Floating asset is also called answer, current asset. Question number 49. Cost of issuing new shares to the public is known as answer, flotation cost. The cost of issuing new shares to the public is known as flotation cost. Question number 15. Who is known as a poor man doctor? Answer, Dr. William King. Question number 51. Rent paid to landlord credited to dash account. Answer, cash account. Question number 52. An audit which involves appraisal of policies and actions of an enterprise is known as answer, management audit. An audit which involves appraisal of policies and actions of an enterprise is known as management audit. Question number 53. Repco Rainbow is a product with the technological support of dash. Answer, Malaysia. Repco Rainbow is a product with the technological support of Malaysia. Question number 54. The reimbursement of any losses caused by a responsible person as directed by register is called answer, surcharge. The reimbursement of any losses caused by a responsible person as decided by register is called answer, surcharge. Question number 55. Cooperative farming society is a dash society. Answer, agricultural non-credit society. Cooperative farming society is a agricultural non-credit society. Question number 56. Absorption costing is also known as answer, full costing. Absorption costing is also known as a full costing. Question number 57. A bill is turned and delivered conditionally is called answer, escrow bill. A bill is turned and delivered the conditionally is called escrow bill. Question number 58. The value of asset after the reducing depreciation from its historical cost is known as answer, book value. Question number 59. Technology upgradation fund scheme related to dash. Answer, cooperative spinning mills. Technology upgradation fund scheme related to cooperative spinning mills. Question number 60. The official receipt issued by a shipping company acknowledgement receipt of goods. Answer, bill of lading. Question number 61. Mortgages as a mode of charge in securities defined in Transfer of Property Act. Question number 62. Banking company prepare balance sheet in answer Form A. Banking company prepare balance sheet in Form A. Question number 63. Dash ATMs are used in the share transactions. Answer Orange Label ATM. Question number 64. Andhra Pradesh Mutually Aided Cooperative Society came into existence on answer 1995. Question number 65. Consumer Fed has commenced a computer stationery unit at answer Kundamangalam. Question number 66. Which is called going concern capital? Answer Tier 1 capital. Tier 1 capital ആണ് going concern capital എന്ന് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്. Question number 67. Custodian of DV file of PCRDB. Answer Valuation Officer. Valuation Officer എപ്പോഴും Assistant Registrar ആയിരിക്കും. Question number 68. The application of execution of award shall be made within dash from the date of award. Answer 12 years. Application of execution of award shall be made within 12 years from date of award. Question number 69. Debtors ledger contains the accounts of answer customers. Question number 70. GST stands for answer Goods and Service Tax. GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. Question number 71. Scheduled cooperative bank should have paid up share capital and reserve of less than rupees dash. Answer 5 lakhs. Question number 72. Minimum obligation fees payable by a cooperative society. Answer rupees 100. Minimum obligation fees payable by a cooperative society rupees 100. Maximum amount എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2000 ആണ്. Question number 73. Bylaw amendment proposal passed by a general body of cooperative society should be submitted to Register of Cooperative Society within a period of dash days. Answer 30 days. ഒരു അമെൻമെന്റ് ബൈല ജനറൽ ബോഡിയിൽ പാസ്സായ ശേഷം സൊസൈറ്റി 30 ദിവസത്തിനകം രജിസ്ട്രാറിന്റെ മുന്നിൽ അമെൻമെന്റ് ബൈല സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. Question number 74. Who is a companion of Schultz? Answer Ben Hardy. Question number 75. RBI Staff Training Institute situated at answer Chennai. RBI Staff Training Institute situated at Chennai. Question number 76. Offering additional services of existing customers is called answer cross-selling. Offering additional services of existing customers is called cross-selling. Question number 77. Most flexible system of note issue. Maximum fiduciary system. The most flexible system of note issue. Maximum fiduciary system. Question number 78. The value of asset reducing depreciation is called. Answer: book value. The value of asset reducing depreciation is called book value. Question number 79. Which body regulates the regional rural bank? Answer: RBI. Question number 80. Rectification entries are passed in the. Answer: journal paper. Rectification entries are passed in the journal paper. Question number 81. First bank provided mobile ATM. Answer: ICICI. Question number 82. An application for affiliation to an Apex Society under Section 80A of KCS Act 1969 shall be in form number. Answer: 31. Question number 83. Any award of the arbitrator under section. Answer: Section 70, subsection 6. Question number 84. Election fees to be remitted by a federal society at the time of election of managing committee of a society. Answer: rupees 3000. ഇതൊരു previous question ആണ്. Question number 85. Registrar shall issue a duplicate registration certificate on the basis of. Answer: audit certificate and the record available with the register. Question number 86. Bank Regulation Act contain dash sections, dash chapters and dash schedules. Answer: 56 sections, 5 chapters and 5 schedules. Question number 87. India's first company to open with a white label ATMs. Answer: Tata Communications Payment Solution Limited. India's first company to open with a white label ATMs. Answer: Tata Communications Payment Solutions Limited. Question number 88. Undercasting of sale book is an example of. Answer: errors of commission. Question number 89. Rule 186 of KCS Act deal with. Answer: qualification. Rule 186 of KCS Act deals with qualification. Question number 19. Cooperative flag hoisted in. Answer 90-24. Question number 91. Dash section on Indian Contract Act 1872 defines indemnity. Answer section 124. Question number 92. The proportionate reserve system first introduced in? Answer Germany. The proportionate reserve system was first introduced in Germany. Question number 93. Which guard is known as a check guard? Answer debit card. Question number 94. Rule 59 of KCS Act deals with? Answer gratuity. Question number 95. The immovable property acquired by a society through a sale by sale officer shall be disposed by a society within dash years. Answer 7 years. Question number 96. Dash is a rate at which RBI charges interest on loan advanced by central bank to commercial banks. Answer repo rate. Question number 97. The fee payable to the notary public for the evidencing the fact of dishonor of bill. Answer noting charges. Question number 98. Inspection of books of accounts of a society is made by dash as per section 66. Answer register. Question number 99. Sans recourse means? Answer without liability to me. Sans recourse means without liability to me. Question number 100. As per Rule 15, the authority empowered to approve the classification of society. Answer Register of Cooperative Society. As per Rule 15, the authority empowered to approve the classification of society. Answer Register of Cooperative Society.